Let's start.
Hello, my friends. My name is Jessie and we continue learning English letters. Are you ready? Then let's begin.
Let's drag the letters. J, 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 J. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Good job! J is for jellyfish. Let's write the letters. J, J. Nice. Smart. J, 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 J. Well done. Let's drag the letters. K, K, K. Smart. K, K, K. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Great! K is for kangaroo. Let's write the letters. K. Try again. K. Smart. Nice. K. 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 Well done. Let's drag the letters. L, L, L. Smart. L, L, L. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Good job! L is for lion. Let's write the letters. L, L. Nice! Well done. L, 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 L. Well done. Match the lowercase letter candies to the uppercase letter jars. J, J, L, 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 K, K. Well done. Which letter do you hear? K. K. Great! K. K. Good job! J. J. Nice! L. L. Well done! Choose the correct uppercase letter. L. Great! J. Great! K. Nice! H. Great! Well done! Find the similar letters. K. Smart! L. Good job! J. Good job! Well done! Which letter do you hear? K. K. Great! K. K. Good job! J. J. Nice! L. L. Well done! Drag letters and build the word. B. A. L. L. Ball. Well done! Find the missing letter. Key. K. Key. Jam. J. Jam. Lion. L. Lion. Cat. C. Cat. Well done! Well done!
Great! Now you know 3 more letters JKL. You will see the continuation in the next video.